Okay, guys, one little update here. Just wanted to give you kind of a heads up on routing, wiring, and things like that from the back to the front, or vice versa. What I did here is I've removed the passenger seat and removed the cover down here, and you can actually see. I don't know if you can see it right there. I'll move the light. That's actually my garage floor, so you can see all the way down. You can also, I put the light around the back here. You can also see my light shining. So you got really easy access to get through here. So what you can do is you can run through here if it's on this side. There's something similar where the battery box is on the driver's side. What you can then do is once you've got everything over here, and again, same is true over on the battery box, pull out your cup holders and you'll be able to reach down through here, and you can see I've got some different wires going to the front and back here, and then you can reach up forward, and then this cavity right in here goes back here, and then you can pull out your center cup, which is what I've done, and you can reach down to the bottom. You can get to the grommet that goes up here to the front. So it's actually quite easy to get things from front to back on the General, and very, very user-friendly for doing wiring. In this case, I've got, of course, the wiring for this little pump. I'll also have the hose for the fluid once I get that from the hardware store. But that's what you can do, is just kind of a quick tip for how to run from front to back. And again, same is true on the driver's side for the battery box. You also got access to the outside there. By the way, the fuse box is over there too, if you did not know. And that's what we're doing right now. So you can see the grommet up here on the front coming up, and then I've got my whole wiring set up here. So that's what we've got going on, and if you've got any more questions, please feel free to reach out and ask.